Why study penguins? Researchers from around the world, including VIMS scientists, are studying the environments, wildlife, oceans, ice, and climate of Earth's polar regions. Why? Well, the poles may be at the ends of the Earth geographically, but research over past decades has revealed that these frigid regions are extremely important to Earth's climate, oceans, and seafood production. Polar science has global impacts, helping us better understand how our planet works and how human activities may be changing our Earth. You can learn more about penguins and make a penguin hand puppet from a lunch bag. Here are the instructions that you can get from the VIMS webpage. It shows you all of the parts that your penguin will need and gives you instructions on how to assemble it. Here is the pattern that comes with the instruction. It shows you how to cut out the bib, 2 wings, 2 feet, 2 eyes, and 1 beak. Start with a paper bag with the bottom facing you, and first thing that you will add is the bib. You can attach it using double stick tape. I cut out 2 wings with black paper, and you can tape those right underneath the bottom of the bag. And 2 feet, you want to slightly crease these, and you will tape them just inside the opening of the bag. We'll do that later. Add 2 eyes. That makes the head of the penguin. I colored mine in just slightly. And the beak has some extra directions. You want to cut in the middle, fold it, and also crease it along the full length of the beak. Then you can fold it like this and tape it. It makes your beak more three-dimensional. And then you will tape it to the paper bag just like that. After you've added all of your parts, your paper bag might look something like this. You can slip your hand inside the penguin, and then you can move the head. So I hope you enjoyed making this penguin puppet at home with your paper bag. And thank you for visiting Marine Science Day at VIMS.